In Bangkok, floating markets are no longer totally authentic. Still, floating markets have become a popular attraction for tourists, and many Thai visit the floating markets on the weekends to stroll around, shop, and, most importantly, eat. Khlong Lat Mayom Floating Market is located in the Tarling Chan district of Thailand, on the side of Thornbury, at Bunk Rarmart Road and Bunk Rarmart Subdistrict on the Bunk Rarmart district. It was founded in November 2004 by Chuan Chuchan, a farmer who developed communities into new markets and attractions. So what makes floating markets so exciting? I don't want you to imagine Khlong Lat Mayom as the floating market of 1,000 boats brimming with food and color. The floating part of the market is very quiet, while the non-floating part is bustling. From the boats, vendors mainly sell potted plants, flowers, fresh fruit, and vegetables, with just a few boats cooking food like pad thai and serving to the customer on land. The canal is still frequently used as a mode of transportation in this part of Bangkok. People still sell things from their boats, although the market is rather touristy now, it still feels authentic and is a lot of fun. Starting with the food, since that's one of the most important reasons to visit. I can almost guarantee that you will be hungry after arriving there because the food is plentiful and it looks so good. Although the Khlong Lat Mayom floating market looks small from the outside, it is quite a large market, so it is good to take a quick tour before ordering the first food you see. This market is divided into 6 zones. Each sells exciting items, such as clothes, handicrafts, local goods, antiques, toys for children, home decorations, ornamental plants, and fresh fruit and vegetables. Upon arrival, go to the left side of the market, that is, Zone 1, and continue inside to Zone 4, 5, and 6, and you will be glad that you did. We made a mistake by going to Zone 2 first, and as we arrived during lunchtime, we were hungry, and we grabbed the first food we came across. After lunch, we walk over to Zone 1 and regret that we should have come here first because there is more variety of food here. In addition to a great selection of food and a friendly atmosphere, Khlong Lat Mayom Floating Market also offers a boat ride tour. There is a Longtail Boat Tour right in the middle of the market on the canal, which is exceptionally affordable and shared. The ticket costs just 70 Thai baht per person, and you have to wait for the boat to fill up, which may take 10 to 20 minutes. Once they have around 10 to 12 people, the board is ready to leave and bring you to either a homestay or a temple and plant garden. Alternatively, you can charter the whole boat for 500 Thai baht. We took the temple route, and after about 30 minutes of drive, we arrived and were allowed to wander around the temple and the surrounding area for 20 minutes. Then the boat took us to a plant garden. The temple houses various Buddha statues, and it took us less than 5 minutes to walk around the temple ground. After that, we bought a drink outside the temple and waited for the boat to return. On the way back, the boat stopped at an orchid plant garden. Our boat journeyed through the canal, past neighborhoods, homes, gardens, orchards, and businesses. Cruising the canals by boat is a beautiful and nostalgic experience reminiscent of Bangkok's early days. We spent about 1.5 hours on the boat tour at Khlong Lat Mayom. Although I wasn't expecting much from the tour, I found it quite enjoyable, and I recommend it if you're here. Khlong Lat Mayom's leisure and relaxation are why visiting is such a pleasure. The market is still relatively calm and friendly despite getting crowded during peak weekends. You can easily spend a few hours walking around, eating, and contemplating what to eat next. We spent about 1.5 hours on the boat tour at Khlong Lat Mayom. Although I wasn't expecting much from the tour, I found it quite enjoyable, and I recommend it if you're here. Khlong Lat Mayom's leisure and relaxation are why visiting is such a pleasure. The market is still relatively calm and friendly despite getting crowded during peak weekends. You can easily spend a few hours walking around, eating, and contemplating what to eat next. A floating market in Bangkok is a great place to visit if you enjoy food, relaxation, and markets. Khlong Lat Mayom Floating Market is one of the best floating markets in Bangkok, at least in my opinion, because of its abundance of delicious food and relaxed atmosphere. Aside from eating, you can also take a boat tour, which is quite fun, and simply stroll around and enjoy the lush green area. Khlong Lat Mayom Floating Market is open from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturday and Sunday and on major holidays, closed on weekdays. Therefore, it is best to catch a taxi and reach there by 9:30 a.m. to get some light snacks before taking the Longtail Boat Cruise and coming back for lunch at the floating market. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. Do give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell, and you will be notified when my new video is up.